Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to resize an image on iPhone. If you enjoy this content, make sure to like, subscribe, and let's get started. So first guys, open App Store and then in the search bar, search for photo resize. Now tap photo resize image. Then scroll down and download this application. Perfect. After downloading application, open it and tap continue and tap allow. Perfect. Now select the picture that you want to resize it, and here you can resize any picture. Let's take for example this picture and then tap add. Now you can crop it or resize it. For example, if you want to crop it, you can here crop it easy like this. Perfect. Then you can also turn the picture as you can see. Perfect. Now after adjust your picture, then tap done. You can also resize it, tap resize, and here you can select the custom resize. So this is the original picture and this is after resize it. Now you can save it into your iPhone, tap save and tap allow full access. Now as you can see, your picture is saved. Now you can find your saved picture in your gallery. So this is how you can resize your picture. Thank you so much for watching me. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and see you to the next video.